The Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act was passed into law in May 2015 during the administration of former President Goodluck Jonathan. It's to prohibit all forms of violence, including physical, sexual, psychological, domestic, discrimination against persons, and to provide maximum protection and effective remedies for victims as well as punishments for offenders. This roundtable attracts legal practitioners, religious leaders, and other stakeholders. They are to come up with workable strategy to domesticate the law in the state.
Of Osun State. But as we have rightly said, our interest is such that the law be domesticated, bearing in mind the cultural realities of Osun State, but above all, placing human dignity above everything. So we are in the process of coming to an opinion with regard to this. Some of
other states who are yet to domesticate this act is that they should also give it a serious priority. They should give it a quick action so that at least all of us in Nigeria, we can be at the same pace and we can also move together, not that waiting for one and the other.
They also prefer solution to how justice can be easily dispensed without delay.
As it is, the high courts are already overcrowded. The process of getting to the high court is very, very cumbersome. You have to go through the lawyers, you have so many fees to pay and so many other things. So I think for me, if we can bring it down to the magistrate court, which has a summary jurisdiction, it will be faster. It will be faster and justice will be better served.
There are some offenses that their punishments and even their fine is still within the confine of the magistrate court. So I think the magistrate court can have jurisdiction in that area, except the one that the magistrate does not have jurisdiction, like imprisonment for life. Those ones, it can be excluded, just be removed for the high court alone.
Participants are optimistic that the law, when domesticated, will put an end to practice of various forms of violence. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.